Wait a minute. That's like way too fucking low. Breaking my neck already. Right, well, good afternoon folks, we're just here. We're going to have a little jet washing session. As well as it's your turn now to meet one of the people that, we don't need that help us. So, this person here with a stupid... That's nearly knocking me out with this hose here is Stefan. He's one of the people that helps out with the bus and looks after everything from the legal aspects of on the road. Say hello, Stefan. Don't need to be nervous. We'll get out of it. So Stefan is not a bus driver. He's just a regular passenger. That needs to go on the top. That needs to go on the back there. That just needs the other end. As you can tell, we're well prepared for this, as Stefan has lost the other end of the hose. And as I did with the fixing the air horn, we will do, there it is, I'll do a small time lapse as we go on. So the main job today is to degrease the engine, and when this goes in this hole here, and to actually jet wash and clean the bus down inside and out. Obviously we'll do inside when it goes dark. We are fighting against the time, which is why this won't go in. I'm having an issue getting it in the hole. There we go, it's in. It's in. Now we have to do this with the engine running because the engine provides us electricity, which is just one of them things, unfortunately. Right, that's the tap adapter. Right, so we'll see you in the time lapse. We can unravel the
of mine. You can move.
need to do, like we need to fix this step light, but we'll go for the stuff we need to fix at the end.